Hello and welcome to another edition of Unboxing in 60 Seconds. So this will be our first unwrapping in 2026. This is my Christmas gift, and although tapos na ang Pasko, so I think we need to unwrap this. So whether we're going to unbox is another thing. So join me in this episode. Let's do a slow reveal. This is one of the products that I listed in my wishlist in 2025 as part of my golden gifts. Ready na ba kayo? Slowly buksan natin. Aba, meron pa siya. Tada! Who is that? Ayan po ang laman ng kahon na pinagpalit sa halagang hindi natin alam ulit kung magkano na ito ay... Can you read this? It's Terminator 2 Judgment Day T800 figure from Hot Toys. Let's give him a spin. Ano po? And yun. So we have to slip. Yan, the big reveal. This is the unbox part. So bali ito yung cover niya. And here we have the yung kanyang grenade launcher. Yung grenade launcher niya, tapos shotgun, tapos dito niya tinatago yung shotgun niya. Okay. Alright, the reason why I bought this figure is because of this minigun. Sometimes you call this Gatling gun. And alam niyo naman, medyo may pagka-obsess ako sa Gatling gun. You know? So later, I'll show you yung mga figures ko na may Gatling gun. Like this. See? Put it up here. And this one. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Terminator 2 Judgment Day figure, complete with minigun. Okay, and of course the other accessories. Ganda. Marami siyang guns and ammos. We're looking forward to really display this. So once again, thank you for watching. Today we really unbox our Christmas gift for 2025. See you again next week for another edition of Unboxing in 60 Seconds.